Let me show you how to quickly attach files in Yahoo Mail emails. So first let's compose an email. You then want to write out the email, and before you send it and attach that file, you want to come down to the bottom here, and next to send you'll see this paperclip. Press that, where you'll have an option to choose attach files from recent emails or attach files from computer. We'll select this one. Now you want to attach your file, so I'll select this one here, then select open, and there you go, it's attached to the email. So that's how to easily attach files in Yahoo Mail emails. If you want to have a look at a classic view, you do exactly the same. Write your email, but the attached files is here towards the top in the subject. You then want to choose files, exactly the same, but this time we need to select attach files. Hopefully this helps you out whether you're on the classic view or the standard version of Yahoo Mail, how to attach files in Yahoo Mail. If it does, smash that like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe if you want to see more helpful videos like this one.